Absolutely. Natural hair masks can be a great way to nourish and revitalize your hair without using harsh chemicals. Here are 3 simple and effective DIY hair masks for different hair types and concerns. 1. Banana and honey hair mask for dry and damaged hair. Ingredients: 1 ripe banana, 2 tablespoons honey, 2 tablespoons coconut oil or olive oil. Instructions: 1. Mash the ripe banana in a bowl until it becomes a smooth paste. 2. Add honey and coconut oil to the banana paste and mix well. 3. Apply the mixture to your hair, focusing on the ends and damaged areas. 4. Cover your hair with a shower cap or a warm towel and leave the mask on for about 30 minutes to an hour. 5. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water, followed by a mild shampoo and conditioner. 2. Yogurt and egg hair mask for dull and lifeless hair. Ingredients: 1/2 cup plain yogurt, 1 egg. Instructions: 1. In a bowl, whisk the egg until it's well beaten. 2. Mix the yogurt into the beaten egg until you get a smooth mixture. 3. Apply the mask to your hair, starting from the roots and working your way down to the tips. 4. Gently massage the mask into your scalp for a few minutes to promote blood circulation. 5. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave the mask on for 30 minutes. 6. Wash your hair with cool water and a mild shampoo. Avoid using hot water as it may cause the egg to cook in your hair. 3. Avocado and aloe vera hair mask for frizzy and curly hair. Ingredients: 1 ripe avocado, 2 tablespoons aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon olive oil or argan oil. Instructions: 1. Scoop out the flesh of the ripe avocado and mash it in a bowl until it forms a creamy consistency. 2. Add aloe vera gel and olive oil to the avocado paste and mix thoroughly. 3. Apply the mask to your hair, paying special attention to the ends and frizzy areas. 4. Put on a shower cap and let the mask sit for 30 to 45 minutes. 5. Rinse your hair thoroughly with lukewarm water and shampoo. Follow up with conditioner if needed. Remember to use these masks on damp, clean hair for better absorption of nutrients. Also, consider doing a patch test before applying any of these masks to your entire scalp to check for any allergic reactions. Enjoy your natural hair treatment and embrace the benefits of these nourishing DIY hair masks.